Hello and welcome to our screen recording of concept maps and breaking down what concept maps are and how we put them together to benefit us as students, teachers, and everything else because they can be used for just about any type of project or brainstorming idea. My name is Robert Beacham, and I'd like to apologize from the beginning. I have a head cold and I am very hoarse, so I will do my best to speak as clearly as possible and just bear with me. So we're going to start off. This is the concept map that I have put together about concept maps. This is what I, based on my research, is called a concept map in the shape of the circle, basically branching off in all different types of directions. There are other ways you can do these with this middle point right here being your main topic. You can do um, with the subtopics branching off towards the bottom. That way it's more organized if that's the way that you prefer it, to the side. Put all of your common ideas on one side or the other. Many different ways you can go about doing it, but to save time, this is just the way that I did it. So we're going to zoom in right here to the middle. This is the software that I'm using. It is an online software for making concept maps. So right here is your middle point, which will be your main idea, which obviously for this is concept maps. And we'll slide over, and I have labeled this for ease of to readers as just a definition. And a definition of a concept map is a conceptual diagram that depicts suggested relationships between concepts. Basically, in layman's terms, it is a graphic organizer for ideas and concepts and putting them all together. So if you go back to the concept map, you see that we have four other areas branching off. We'll go over to here to our usage section, and then from there you can actually see that we have, from this subcategory, we have even more subcategories breaking off of from that. So with the idea of usage, some of the things are we can brainstorm ideas for a project. We can, as educators, we can even use these for quizzes and exams, or just study guides with filling in the blanks, where we give you the main idea and then give you blank bubbles to fill in. Small group activities to maybe help you brainstorm ideas, work together, put together concepts for team building things. And then breakdown of information categorically. This helps us categorically organize everything instead of just having a jumbled mess. So we're going to go back to the middle with concept maps. We're going to come down to our third sub-region. Just have a little bit more, which would be benefits. So we have these subcategories of benefits that show relationship between ideas. It's a very good visual organizer. It's a very good representation of knowledge. It helps to clarify and structure ideas. Now with the concept map, we can even have subcategories of subcategories. I know that seems like a lot, but we want to break off more specifically to the benefits to go here towards the mental benefits. Now I could have changed this to physical benefits and mental benefits, but I'm just going to keep it like this. So if we specify the benefits into the psychological region of mental benefits, we have that it stimulates brain activity and multiple cognitive functions at once, and it encourages higher level concept construction. Two great things. So then we're going to come back to the very top, to our last section, to online programs. These are just links that if you were viewing my concept map, you would be able to follow. It's a great tool for when you're presenting, to put these things on here for people. And then we'll have another subcategory where the online portion, I put two video links to YouTube. One with how to make concept maps, and then two is another just kind of way of the way that they make concept maps. These are great things to do when putting for people when you're presenting to them, and this is a great website to do those. Thank you, and I hope you learned something from this.